So for me as a fisheries and wildlife major, this is a perfect place to be just because the wildlife are right here as well. Just seen an otter outside the student center a few days ago. The mountains are basically across the street. And so you can just go in lab, walk out and study what's actually happening in the forest right now and really understand not just what you're learning on paper, but how it's going to apply. I think one of the most important things any teacher will present here is just they actually care about us. They really are invested in each and every one of us and our success. They want us to succeed, they want us to learn, and they want to share their passion and expertise with us. At Paul Smith's, we have a really good relationship with faculty. So first name basis with all the professors is one thing that you're not going to find at a ton of places, and just that relationship where I can go up and say, hey, you know, I'm struggling with this, or you know, can you tell me more about this? I think that's interesting, and they always want to do that. So I met one Paul Smith's alumni in Illinois, actually. He was out there working on a master's degree with whippoorwills, and I was very surprised to see that, you know, a small college like this, we are sending out alumni really across the country for a variety of options. You know, you can start here and really go anywhere. I love being a student at Paul Smith's College just because of the passion instilled in every lesson and the environment we have where, you know, I can go kayaking and I'll find a professor out there also kayaking, and every classroom is an interesting experience. You're not going to just be in a classroom with a whole bunch of other students. You're going to be a student to each professor. I'm Jack Fogarty from Moultonborough, New Hampshire. I'm a Fisheries and Wildlife Science student at Paul Smith's College, and this is truly an awesome place to be.